Hey, with joy and excitement, I would like to inform you that Pavlova, my channel where I have shared with you the passion for desserts and cooking, has undergone a transformation, and from today onwards, it has a new name and image. Feel welcome at Mesa Estilo, a place crafted by Margarita with care and style. Channel where you will discover diverse and next-level content pertaining to table styling. In Mesa Estilo by Margarita, we're going to transform a regular table into a lavish setting. With my easy and delicious recipes, we'll turn your table into a masterpiece. And get ready, because with the plating, floral decoration, and personalization, we will make every meal an unforgettable and glamorous experience. Tune in and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't miss out on my upcoming videos, and if you like them, share them with your family and friends. See you soon.